Hello viewers, my name is Habila Musa, a business partner with CHY Mall. Today's video we're going to talk about a simple thing that people have been asking me a question about: how to withdraw from their account. It's a very simple procedure, but there's one thing, small thing that you need to do in order to have access, depending on which country you belong to. Now, first of all, you need to sign in the way I'm doing now. Like this account, I sign in. It comes up. Now it has opened. I'll go to my orders, click on my orders. Once you click on my orders, for you to be able to withdraw from your CHY account to your own conventional account, first thing, you come here, you come to this place and click. You see, it has taken you to a page. It's taking you to a page. Now in this place, this is where you are going to put in your name. Assuming it's my account, I will now type anybody's name. User ID is there. Full name of the owner of this account. Let's assume you put Joseph Moses. Let's say you put Joseph. Joseph Moses. You put Joseph's phone number. If you have email address, you have to come down. You have membership IV is VIP3. Referral ID, this is referral ID. Placer ID, all these ones, you know them. Now, your bank name. Your bank name. If you are in Nigeria, you check Nigerian banks. You check Nigerian banks. We have only two banks that Nigerians can make withdrawal with. Only two banks. You have to locate them. Now, one is Nigerian UBA Bank. The second is Nigerian Zenith Bank. These are the two banks that, as a Nigerian, you can withdraw. We have South Africa. If you're a South African, you make withdrawal. And any other country, check your country's bank that you have an account. If you don't have, you have to go to those banks and open an account. Now, assuming now I'm in Nigeria, I have a Zenith Bank account. I'll click, I have a Zenith Bank account. Here, I'll now put the account number. Maybe I'll put account number, the account holder. The account holder, remember, is Joseph's account. I have to come here and put Joseph Moses. I'm done. Now, this place, Bitcoin wallet. If you don't have Bitcoin wallet, form any number and put USD wallet. Form any number. Then you will come here and save. Once you save, this information is now there. Then you can come back to withdraw. Click withdraw. Those information you input in that place, you will just see them appearing here. Once you see them appearing here, then you now put your withdrawal amount. This withdrawal amount you're seeing is in dollars. Is in dollars. This withdrawal is in dollars. Assuming you put $100. Withdrawal method is bank. You come here and put bank. Exchange rate. Exchange rate. Check your own currency that you use in your own country. Like here, I look for Nigeria. I'll come here and put Nigeria. Automatically, it has given me the exchange rate. You see the amount here. Now, already the receiving bank, the name of account holder, and the bank number is here because I have imputed there. It will appear here. What I need to put here is the dollars I need, withdrawal method, bank, exchange rate, Nigerian naira. The amount will just appear, and I will just proceed to say withdraw. This is how it works. This is how it works. Now, if you have any more question, you can send me an email, or you can go to the comment and ask any question you want to ask. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe. As more videos come, you will be the first person to have access to it. Till we meet again in another video. Thank you.